SALT negotiation talks happened when President Lyndon Johnson announced to the public that the Soviets had set up anti-ballistic defenses around Moscow. The talks were to limit the amount of intercontinental ballistic missiles and other massively destructive weapons, which is where they got their names, the Strategic Arms Limitation Talks. The talks happened in the 1960s and 70s, the first one being in 1967. The theory was that when the amount of nuclear weapons and defenses were limited, US and Soviet relations would improve. The two superpowers finally reached an agreement on May 26, 1972. For the first negotiations, both sides were limited to having two defensive missile locations in their countries. Although the US did not build either of the positions, the agreements led to better relations between the superpowers. The second negotiations originally were meant to limit the amount of nuclear weapon delivery systems and a ban on intercontinental ballistic missiles. The negotiations also wanted to reduce the amount of weapon launchers for both teams. The second one still did not resolve the problem of how many strategic bombers each country could have in service. SALT II was never ratified because the USSR invaded Afghanistan in 1979, and this caused high tensions, and the agreement was never made.